Redmi has launched its new affordable smartphone in China called Redmi 17C with quiet premium-looking design. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 17C features a tall 6.88-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 17C sports a 13-megapixel main camera on the rear, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a large 5,160 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box with HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 17C has been priced in China for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 799 Chinese yuan, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, Donchia red, and Sea Breeze blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 17C smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.